Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi Watch 3 and I'm gonna show you how to check the serial number on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, press the side button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, scroll down, find the option called About Watch and select it. And here you can scroll down, you will see the option called serial number right here, and this is the serial number of this device. And once you're done checking, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you check the serial number on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.